So guys and girls, before we end this reviews, we already said the remarks and what we have. What's this? What we have? Look closer, please.
Aral.
The moral lessons that we knew, what we have learned, and I also gave. So by this time, we're gonna say what we don't like about the movie. Do you have any disagreement about the movie?
Parang oo, kasi nakakaawa rin yung
Na hindi dapat mangyari sa movie? May mga ayaw ba kayong eksena na hindi dapat? Ikaw, may ka ba sa eksena?
Yung parang 12 siya
yung bata yung sa bata.
Oo. So yun na nga, ang isa dun sa it's all about the story.
Hindi niya sinabi
I
na
forgot the moral lessons. You have to tell the truth always, not even to your son or to your daughter, but to any people around you, especially you are being attached with them or you are having a connections with them. So don't tell a lie in any aspects of life, in any form of situations, or in any kind of not a form of situation, not in any kind of situations. And as much as possible, always tell the truth and nothing but the truth. Well, for me, what I don't like about the movie is, hold on.